In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage your email preferences in Bill.com. Navigating email notifications can be a bit overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you can tailor your settings to suit your needs and keep your inbox tidy. First, start by locating the Settings gear icon. This is typically found in the navigation pane or in the bottom left corner of your Bill.com dashboard. Clicking on this gear icon will open up a menu of options that you can customize. Think of this as your command center, where you have control over various aspects of your account. Now, look under the User Settings or Profile category column and select Email Preferences. This will lead you directly to the Email Configuration panel. Here is where the magic happens. This panel allows you to adjust how and when you receive notifications from Bill.com, ensuring you only get the emails you truly need. Once you're inside the Email Configuration panel, you'll notice a range of options for managing your tracking preferences. To begin making changes, click on the Edit icon, which is represented by a pencil graphic. This will open up the modification fields, allowing you to customize your settings. One of the most convenient features here is the Master Toggle switch. This control allows you to turn all transactional notifications on or off with a single click. It's perfect for those moments when you need to quickly manage your email volume, perhaps during a busy period or when you're out of the office. If you prefer a more nuanced approach, you can use the individual checkboxes found under each functional category row. These checkboxes give you the power to filter specific logs, enabling you to receive only the notifications that are most relevant to you. This is especially useful if you're only interested in updates about certain transactions or account activities, allowing you to maintain focus without unnecessary distractions. A little tip: regularly revisiting your email preferences can be beneficial, especially as your needs evolve or as Bill.com introduces new features. Keeping your settings up to date ensures that you're always in the loop with the most important information without being bogged down by excess emails. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your email preferences in Bill.com, making sure they align perfectly with your personal or business requirements. Remember, having control over your email notifications not only keeps your inbox organized, but also helps you stay productive by ensuring you only receive the most pertinent updates. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Happy managing!